Vultr is a powerful web hosting provider, but there are 12 things you need to know before buying. Stick with me, and we'll break down how it compares to other providers like DigitalOcean, AWS, and Bluehost, helping you decide if it's the right choice for you. First off, Vultr offers an impressive global network. With over 30 data centers worldwide, it's one of the most expansive networks available, which is great for businesses aiming for a global reach. But compared to others like AWS, who have a much larger network, Vultr's global reach still isn't quite as broad, making it less ideal for some large-scale global operations. Next, Vultr is known for its simplicity. Their user interface is clean, straightforward, and easy to use, which is great for beginners. Unlike the sometimes complex interfaces of other hosting platforms like AWS or Google Cloud, Vultr lets you deploy a server with just a few clicks. This ease of use is something many smaller or new businesses can appreciate without having to deal with complicated configurations. The third thing is the pricing. Vultr is extremely competitive, starting at just $5 per month for a basic VPS. This is much cheaper compared to AWS or Azure, which can get quite pricey for similar resources. If you're looking for an affordable entry point, Vultr gives you great value for the money. The fourth thing to consider is the types of services they offer. Vultr has a variety of VPS options, bare metal servers, and block storage, but it lacks some of the more advanced features that competitors like DigitalOcean or AWS offer, such as advanced load balancing or fully managed services. This means Vultr is best for those who need basic infrastructure, but if you're looking for something more complex, you might want to explore other options. Next up is performance. Vultr offers solid performance with SSD storage on all plans, ensuring fast load times for your website or application. However, it doesn't quite stack up to AWS or DigitalOcean, which offer even more powerful compute resources and greater scalability for high-performance applications. But for smaller to medium-sized websites, Vultr provides a solid, reliable performance at a lower cost. The sixth thing to keep in mind is their support. Vultr offers support via ticketing, which is fast, but lacks 24/7 phone support, like some of its competitors. If you're running a mission-critical website and need immediate assistance, this could be a downside. Next, Vultr is developer-friendly, offering a wide range of API access and integrations. This is fantastic for developers who want to automate processes and streamline their workflow. On the flip side, if you're not a developer or don't have technical expertise, you might find it a bit challenging to take full advantage of these features. The eighth point is scalability. While Vultr can scale your hosting easily, it doesn't offer the same level of automated scaling that AWS or Google Cloud can provide. If you're looking to quickly scale your infrastructure based on demand, you might find other platforms to be more intuitive in that respect. The ninth thing is the control panel. Vultr's control panel is simple, but it can feel a little too basic for those who are used to more advanced features available in platforms like cPanel or Plesk. While it's sufficient for basic needs, it might not offer the depth you need for managing larger websites or more intricate setups. Next, let's talk about security. Vultr provides solid security features like DDoS protection, firewalls, and backups, which is on par with many other providers. However, competitors like AWS or Google Cloud tend to offer more advanced security features like dedicated security monitoring and enterprise-level protections. If you're handling sensitive data or need extra security, you might want to look elsewhere. Another thing to keep in mind is uptime. Vultr has a strong uptime history, with reports of up to 99.99% uptime, which is impressive. But if you're looking for maximum reliability, AWS and DigitalOcean are known for having more robust uptime guarantees, especially during peak traffic times. Next thing, their backup options. Vultr offers automatic backups, but these are only available at an additional cost. Some other hosting platforms, like Bluehost, include free backups with their plans, so if this is a must-have for you, be aware that you'll need to factor this extra cost into your decision. And finally, Vultr's billing system.